Hello, today we're taking a look at this three-sided wraparound electric toothbrush. We're going to go ahead and open this up, show you guys exactly what you get. Okay, my friends, inside the box you get your manual. Everything comes presented really nice. It comes with its own special magnetic custom charging cable, which is pretty cool. I like that. Comes with two brush ends. So this is what the brush end looks like. And as you can see, it easily flexes and rotates, which is really nice, guys. I love this holder. This is really nice. So you're able to see the charging light inside there. So all you do is you connect it onto here, your charger, and it charges your device. Alright, for placing this on, slide it on. Let's see, we might have to, I think you get it down past this point here. Okay, so there's actually two ways of doing this. So we're going to rotate it like that. You can kind of feel, so when you put it in here, you hit a resistance, and then you kind of wiggle left and right and turn it around. It should go on like this, so your brush should be facing you. Power. So you're on and off. You got massage, you have clean, you have white. Let's demonstrate how this works, guys. So here you can get an idea from all angles. And you can see how easy it is, how it kind of like wraps around your teeth and it stays on track. Consider it like a roller coaster, how a roller coaster's wheels stay on the track. This kind of operates the same way. You get a full cleaning all around. You can adjust, so if you want white, you have different settings for that. No problem on the top, just rotate on the top. Overall, I'm actually very impressed with this. Like you guys, we just demonstrated that, how easy this is. I'm very impressed with this, guys. Very impressed. Wow. This definitely beats a traditional toothbrush or electric brush, and as a matter of fact.